Hi everyone, hope everyone is safe. This is Daisy Margaret. In this video, we are about to discuss Class 6, Term 1, Unit 4, The World of Plants, book back questions and answers. Choose the correct answer. First one, pond is an example of dash. Option A, marine. Option B, fresh water. Option C, deserts. Option D, mountain. So we know definitely pond is a fresh water. So it comes under the freshwater habitat. The answer is option B, fresh water. Second one, the important function of stomata is option A, conduction. Option B, transpiration. Option C, photosynthesis. Option D, absorption. The answer is option B, transpiration. Third one, organs of absorption. Option A, root. Option B, stem. Option C, leaf. Option D, flower. From these four, which is the organ of absorption? It is option A, root. Fourth one, the habitat of water hyacinth. Option A, aquatic. Option B, terrestrial. Option C, desert. Option D, mountain. So we definitely know it is given water hyacinth. So it is option A, aquatic. Fill in the blanks. First one, Earth's surface is covered by dash of water. Actually, the answer is more than 70%. We can also write 70% of water. Second one, the driest places on the earth are desert. Third one, fixation and absorption are the main functions of roots. Primary organs of photosynthesis are leaves. Fifth one, taproot system present in dicotyledonous plants. True or false? If false, give the correct answer. First one, plants can live without water. Answer is false. Plants cannot live without water. If a plant needs to grow, we need to water them. So the answer is false. Second one, all plants have chlorophyll. Answer is true. Third one, plants have three parts: the root, the stem, and leaves. Answer is false. Plants, they don't have only three parts. They have several parts such as root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Fourth one, mountain is an example for freshwater habitat. The answer is false. Rivers, ponds, lakes, and pools are examples for freshwater habitat. Rivers, ponds, lakes, and pools are the examples of freshwater habitat. Or we can also write the reason as mountain is an example for terrestrial habitat. Fifth one, root is modified into spines. Answer is false. Leaves are modified into spines. Sixth one, green plants need sunlight. Answer is true. They need sunlight to do photosynthesis, to prepare their own food. So green plants need sunlight. The answer is true. Match the following: mountain, desert, stem, photosynthesis, fibrous root. So mountain, we know that it is Himalayas. And second one, desert, it is the driest place. So the answer is dry place. Third one, stem. So it only supports the branches. Answer is branches. Fourth one, photosynthesis. Answer is leaves. Fifth one, fibrous root. The answer is monocot. Arrange in correct sequence. The question is leaf, stem, root, flower. So we are starting from the lower part. So the first one is root. So after root we have stem, then the leaf, and finally flower. Second one, transpiration, conduction, absorption, fixation. The answer will be fixation, absorption, conduction, and finally transpiration. A very short answer or answer very briefly. First one, classify the plants on the basis of their habitat. So we classify the habitat majorly into two types. So the answer will be aquatic habitat and terrestrial habitat. So based on this habitat, the plants will be classified as aquatic plants and terrestrial plants. Second one, identify the desert plants from the following: cactus, hydrilla, mango, and rose. So, which of these is desert plant? It is cactus. The answer is cactus. Third one, define the term habitat. The answer is each and every organism needs a place to live and reproduce. Such a dwelling place is called habitat. Fourth one, relate the terms leaves and photosynthesis. The answer is leaves permit to occur photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process. In this process, function of leaves is to absorb light and carbon dioxide to generate or prepare carbohydrate for the growth of plants. Leaf can perform its functions with the help of its large surface area to absorb sunlight. Leaf plays a major part in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process where the function of leaf, it will absorb light and carbon dioxide, and they prepare carbohydrate for the growth of plants. Answer briefly. Why do you call jasmine plant a twiner? Jasmine plant has a weak stem. It cannot stand straight on its own. It must climb on any support to survive. So jasmine plant is called as twiner. Second one, compare the taproot and fibrous root systems. So we have three differences. Taproot system, it consists of single root, but in fibrous root system, it consists of cluster of roots. Second one, it grows straight into the ground. The taproot grows straight into the ground, and the fibrous root, it is thin and it is also uniform in size. In taproot system, it can be seen in dicotyledonous plants, and fibrous root system, it can be seen in monocotyledonous plants. Third one, distinguish between terrestrial and aquatic habitats. First one, terrestrial habitats are found on land. Aquatic habitats are found in water. Second point, terrestrial habitats includes deserts, grassland, forest, farms, towns and cities. Aquatic habitats, they include areas permanently as well as occasionally covered by water. Third point, they are classified into three types. Terrestrial habitat is classified into three types. The three types are desert habitat, grassland habitat, and forest habitat. And here in aquatic, it is classified into two types. The first one is freshwater habitat and the second one is marine water habitat. Example for terrestrial and aquatic habitats are given as fourth point. Example for terrestrial habitats: rubber tree, teak tree and neem. Example for aquatic habitats: lily, lotus and marine algae. List out the plants present in your school garden. For example, I have given 4 plants. You can even write it on your own. First one, hibiscus plant. Second one, neem tree. Third one, custard apple tree. And fourth one, crotons. Answer in detail. Make a list of the functions of root and stem. First side heading, functions of the root. First point, fixes the plant to the soil. Second point, absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Third point, stores food in some plants like carrot and beetroot. Second side heading is functions of the stem. The stem supports the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Second point, transports water and minerals from roots to upper aerial plant parts. Third point, transports the prepared food from leaves to the other parts through stem. Fourth point, stores food as in the case of sugarcane. Second one, complete the map by filling in the blanks. The classification of habitat is given. The rest of the things we have to fill. So firstly, the habitat, it is majorly classified into aquatic and terrestrial. And in aquatic, we have freshwater and marine water. They have asked us to write the examples of freshwater. In terrestrial, we want to write the other two examples. So, the freshwater examples are a river. The answer will be lake and pond. And for terrestrial, they have given grassland. The other two types are forest and desert. The answer is forest and desert.